Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have one more product from Autofy. This is Autofy's Balaclava face mask. We have already tested this product on our last ride for 6 days straight. This balaclava acts as a liner inside the helmet, which is great sweat absorber. Let's open it up and have a look at the product. The fabric is quick dry and it is extremely soft. It's unisex, and its universal size fits well. It feels good and comfortable inside the helmet. It's breathable and protects from dust. Autofy offers a wide range of products, and we are going to try them all. After trying and testing this product, we are satisfied with it, and love it. And we do recommend it to you.